Add cloves to rice and you will never set foot in a beauty salon again. Pay attention, because after you learn this, you're going to thank me. To start, pour a cup of rice into a pot. Then, add a handful of cloves evenly. Place the pot on the stove and add enough water to completely cover the ingredients. It is crucial to stir occasionally to prevent the ingredients from sticking to the bottom of the pot. We would like to know from which part of the world you visit us. Greetings to Maria and also to Anna. Let us know what homemade trick you want us to do. Once the rice is cooked, remove the pot from the heat and pour the liquid into a glass container. Then, take this preparation and apply it to your hair evenly. Use your hands to gently massage the treatment throughout your hair. This method combines the benefits of rice and cloves, which are known for their nourishing and strengthening properties for hair. Rice is rich in vitamins and minerals that promote hair growth and improve hair health. General. While cloves provide antimicrobial and stimulant properties that can help keep the scalp clean and stimulate blood circulation. By applying this home treatment regularly, you can revitalize your hair, strengthen it, and improve its overall appearance without relying on expensive commercial products or harsh chemical treatments. Additionally, the gentle and nourishing nature of this blend makes it ideal for all hair types, from dry and damaged to normal and problem-free. This approach to natural hair care is not only economical, but also environmentally friendly, by avoiding the use of chemicals and disposable packaging. Likewise, it reflects a deep understanding of how natural ingredients can be used effectively in the personal care routine, highlighting the importance of traditional knowledge and homemade practices in maintaining of the beauty and health of hair. Integrating cloves and rice into your hair care regimen can not only transform the appearance of your hair, but also improve its long-term health, providing visible, long-lasting results that you will surely appreciate.